To begin, add 8 tablespoons of butter to a 9 by 13 baking dish. Then transfer to the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. Let the butter melt, which will take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the batter. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Then whisk to combine. Once the dry ingredients have been thoroughly combined, add 1 cup of whole milk. Then whisk to incorporate. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You should end up with a batter-like consistency. Once the butter has melted, bring the baking dish out the oven. As for the cherry, we are using a 21-ounce can of cherry. Now pour half of the batter over the butter. Do not mix with the butter. Using a spoon, transfer the cherries to the dish in no particular order. Try to spread them out, a little bit here, a little bit there. Then drizzle the rest of the batter over the cherries. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes or until golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your cherry cobbler would look like this. Go ahead and serve it while still warm. Top it off with powdered sugar. And to bring this dish to the next level, add a scoop of your favorite ice cream. There you guys have it, cherry cobbler. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.